Okay people, it's time for another bonus video. This time a compilation of all our bloopers and outtakes. Some you've seen before, others you haven't. Please note though, this video does contain some strong language. And kids, remember, swearing isn't big and it's not clever.
Oh
no! I've just realised how fat I look on camera.
You got nothing to fucking worry about, look at me.
Well, they say the camera adds about 3 pounds, doesn't it?
It adds about 3 fucking stone to me.
Come here, Tim. How fat do you look on camera? Bloody hell. We need to go on a diet. Don't we? Look. Everyone move over a little bit. Oh, Jesus. It's like the Little and Large show, this, isn't it? Only it's large and large.
The Three Stooges.
The 3 fat bastards.
That's what it looks like. Fancy helping me with a little job, he says. Fucking tosser.
And we've got to make sure we get these the right way because one side falls off.
So, they're pre-made. So the next job... They were pre-made.
Those ones are for Lord Barrington.
Now time to remove the steering wheel. Now it's time to remove the steering wheel.
Right, one of the last jobs we're going to do on this cab repaint. Oh, for fuck's sake. The bloody phone hasn't rung all sodding day. Bollocks. Put it over there.
We need to sit next to
Oh, shit.
What?
I forgot that was on my hat.
That's my very expensive head torch.
Where's the back gone?
Well, it's been broken a long time.
Oh, was it? Oh.
Because the old brackets had corroded away, as you can see in this one here. So now the bus is in the air.
Right, get this fucking straight.
It's you that's cockeyed.
Neville, get it down. So there you go. After lots of huffing and huffing and putting. Not huffing and puffing, we do huffing and putting round here, as in golf. So all in all, Tim and I...
All in all, Dave needs to go to bed.
Yeah. So all in all, Tim and I spent many hours getting this bloody... So all in all, Tim and I have spent many hours getting this bus ready for MOT. So Tim and I... Tim...
So all in all, me and him...
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what you were going to say next. Oh. There's various different ways to set tappets, and the way I use is the number of cylinders plus 1. So it's a 6-cylinder engine, so plus 1 is 7. So if we start with number 1 plus... I did alright in maths at school.
Okay, so the black has now had 2 coats. It's time to put the varnish on. And let's fingers... No. Let's fingers crossed. What sort of English is that? As you can see, I've masked off the white platform edging. Don't want to varnish that. But the rest of the Treadmaster slatch. As you can see, the white platform edging, I've masked that off because I don't want to varnish that area there. But the rest of the Treadmaster I've said it again.
So, in the last video, we removed this from the centre of the beam. Now, it was quite it was quite and it was wasted away.
We are doing some... No, I don't like all that bollocks. I don't like that bollocks. That's all bollocks. It's all bollocks!
I won't be doing any presenting today because I've just been to the dentist to have a wisdom tooth out. Because I broke it the other day eating a Werther's original.
Right, well we think that's everything on top of the engine disconnected now. Now we're going to lift the bus up and undo bits and pieces down there. Undo bits and pieces. That sounded stupid, didn't it? Undo bits and pieces down there. Did that sound right? Right, so we think that's everything disconnected on the top of the engine. We're going to lift the bus up in the air now and disconnect the starter motor and what else was it, Tim? Prop shaft bolts.
So thanks very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our If you've liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. The outtakes are on the way next, and so until the next video from me and the team, thanks for watching. That was shit.
What Alan is trying to say is if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. The outtakes, of which there are many, are on the way next. And until next time, from me, Alan, and the rest of the team, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
I second what he said. That's what I was trying to say. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. The outtakes are on the way next, but until next time, from me and the team, bye-bye.
Let's go and see if Greg's is still open. What?
I don't know.
I thought you were going to say something.
I thought you were going to say, for some reason, I thought you were going to...
No. Before I do that, I've got a little sklotch. I've got a little sklotch cloth. It's not a scotch cloth, it's now called a sklotch cloth, because I don't have my teeth in today. Try that.
Well, after many hours playing with Jess and Peggy,
You'll have to take it off for a minute, don't you?
Just wait, leave it. Get your ass off the camera.
come here. Good girl.
Well, we're at the stage now where we've got to lift the engine out of the...
Now we've steam cleaned the engine, the big job is to change the gasket between the crankcase and the barrel, and that's this one by here. See you later, Jess.
Hello everybody, we've got another quick video for you today. We're going to show you how we do a safety inspection on one of our buses. And we have to do these on every bus every 8 weeks.
So here is the...
Is he having a shit in there?
Oh dear.
Was that 3 flushes? 3 flushes?
Yes.
Oh my god, I can smell it from here. Oh.
Right, hey, where's this fucking gimp party? I feel quite lucky tonight.
Over there.
Let's go.
Right, here's a little footnote after what Tim has just said. Now you just walk straight through my light. Right, we've had a cup of tea and we've come up with a plan. We're gonna... It could be worse, it could be Captain Pugwash. Look at these 2 twats over there. Have you 2 over there quite finished?
Start by us tight. Let's see how long it is before Daft F ruins this one.
Yeah, when you walk, it sounds like... Just come this way. Yeah, like you got... Have you been like paddling your feet or something with shoes on?
Well, the fucking oil trainers away for you, isn't it?
Can't you find the oil down there, Tim? Tim's down there, he can't find the hole. There's a lot of firtling going on down there, but he can't find the hole.
There we go.
Oh, he's found the hole. It's in. Have you got it in?
Yeah.
We haven't done that yet because we're just waiting for the paint to dry. And as you can see... Okay, so we've had a cup of tea, and we do actually have a plan. And while Tim is going around the bus doing the greasing, I'm following him, giving the nipples a wipe. That's the grease nipples, by the way. Perfect, that. Right over my bloody voiceover. And while Tim is going around doing the greasing, I'm following...
Tell me when then.
Yeah, not yet. And while Tim is going there...
So while Tim is going round the bus, greasing up, Dave's following him, greasing the nibbles.
Right, next on the list, now we know the basic controls are working, we need...
Do it again. Right, go on.
It's hard work with him, I tell you, it's fucking hard work. We can glue it all down and this job will be done.
In other words, we're trying to bodge up an already bodged bus.
It's a bit of a bodge.
It's a fucking bodge up, innit?
Right, now...
Sorry.
No, I didn't record. Can you go and do that again?
What?
Right, quiet on the set, please. Quiet. Fucking hell. Stop it! I can still feel it through your hand. That shakes all the one single brain cell I've got. That's the last screw. This pain in the arse, godforsaken, awful fucking job is done. I'm going to the pub. Good night.
That's all, folks.